Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get your account get verified on Twitter or X. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Twitter or X, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Verification signals to others that your account is authentic and genuinely represents who you claim to be. For example, you're a public figure, celebrity, brand, or organization. This can help build trust among your followers and the broader Twitter community. Now, being verified on Twitter is having the blue check mark next to your name, all right? And of course, again, it provides several benefits. The verification badge is a symbol of status and recognition on Twitter or X. It signifies that you are notable or influential within your field or industry, distinguishing you from other accounts. For you to get verified, there are a couple of ways to do that. All right. Number one is you need to meet the eligibility requirements. Now, one of the ways for you to do it is go here at the more options, go to the monetization. All right. Now here, these are the options, especially if you join the eligible creators. All right. You can sign up for monthly subscriptions and ads revenue sharing, because the best part is you are going to be most likely get verified if you join all these. All right. Now, the next option is called the premium. You can enjoy an enhanced experience, exclusive creator tools, top tier verification and security for organizations. All right. Obviously, if you join the premium option, there's a highly chances that your account must be notable, authentic, and active. And of course, it would meet the eligibility requirements. All right. That's two ways. And of course, you can also go to the creator subscriptions, wherein you need to complete your profile that clearly represents you and the brand. Write a bio that accurately describes who you are or what your organization represents, including relevant links and information. And of course, you need to build your presence. You need to basically tweet regularly, all right? With an audience, and consistent presence helps establish your account as an active and influential. Grow your follower base organically by sharing valuable content that resonates with your audience. And of course, you need to verify your phone number and email address and all of that, and a link to your website if you have one. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.